So, ayan guys, welcome to Mommy Granny's Vlog. Magluluto po ako ng chicken. Meron lang po tayong 5 na parang ingredients, including the chicken. Yes. So, we have this chicken. This chicken is already washed behind the scenes. And you can use any part of your chicken, thigh, legs, or breast, or neck, whatever. But this one I choose. Okay. And then we have this salt. We have soy sauce. Ayan. And we have brown sugar. Okay. You can use also white sugar, but since we are using brown sugar, so I will use my brown sugar. But if you want more healthy, you can use also honey. But I don't have any honey. So I have soy sauce, brown sugar, salt, and chicken. And this one naman, spring onion, this is only optional if you want to add after you cook. Okay, so this is spring onion. And the last one, I have a 1 big bowl with water. So all in all, it's not 5, it's 6, total of 6 ingredients. Chicken, water, brown sugar, soy sauce, salt, and spring onion. Remember, spring onion is only optional. You can use honey, white sugar, whatever you have in your house. Soy sauce, just a little, because you have also salt. Okay. And water. And any kind of bowl, plastic, glass, whatever. And any part of chicken. Ayan, inuulit ko lang po para po talaga malinaw. So ngayon, ilalagay na po natin yung ating brown sugar. Pwede po kayong gumamit ng any sugar. Ulit-ulitin ko talaga para maintindihan nyo talaga ang ating ingredients. Kasi po, gusto ko po talaga itong i-share kasi bago po to. And then, adding my soy sauce. And this recipe, I'm calling this one caramelized chicken. Caramelized chicken with onion rings on top. And guys, make sure na talagang nakahalo yung inyong water, soy sauce, and brown sugar. Kasi minsan kasi, hindi pa talaga nakahalo yung sugar. Talagang naiiwan pa dyan sa talagang imimelt nyo para totally mix talaga. Okay. Iwan natin yan ng ilang minuto. Budburan na po natin to ng salt. Ang purpose naman dito para hindi siya madulas. Kasi diba ang chicken talaga is madulas. But remember, only less salt because you have already soy sauce on your mixture with the brown sugar. Okay? Guys, gayahin nyo to. Sobrang sarap. Sobrang sarap. Actually, naluto ko na to pero hindi ko siya na-vlog kasi syempre first time eh. So, tested and proven na po to kay Mommy G. So, I cook again before my son will go back again to the mountain. Kasi may community na naman sila, may duty sila. So, ilalagay talaga natin yan at ang salt. So, ayan. Ayan. Babad talaga natin ang salt. Okay. And go back to your water, soy sauce, and brown sugar. Make sure nakamix na po siya. Ayan lang po. Napaka-easy. Napaka-easy na yan. Ayan. Okay. So, we're going to get ready our frying pan. Kukuha na tayo ng ating frying pan. Ganyan lang po guys, no more onions, garlic, or everything. Just is it. Ito lang po talaga yung ingredients. So ngayon, prepare na po natin yung ating frying pan. Ating frying pan. Here you go. Mini-mix lang po. Mini-mix. Imagine, meron pa rin siyang sugar. Hindi pa rin siya na-mix. Hindi pa rin siya na-mix talaga lahat. Pero dapat mas maganda pag naka-mix. So, sayang yan. Kukunin talaga natin. Yan. Kasi alam niyo ang purpose sa brown sugar, ito po yung nagbibigay ng caramelize. Di ba po? Ayan. And then, after you put your mixed water with soy sauce and brown sugar, you just drop your chicken. Drop your chicken with salt. Okay? Ayan. Ayan. Then, just cover and open your gasol. Ayan. Okay. Hintayin natin yan kumulo and then, abangan nyo talaga lahat until the end kasi kung paano talaga siya lutuin. So, ayan guys. Kumukulo na po yung ating chicken. Pag kumukulo na po siya, ibabaliktad po natin. Ganito lang po yan guys. Babaliktad po natin yan. Para yung likod naman ang lulutuin niya. Ayan guys. Remember, any part of your chicken. Hayaan lang natin yung kumulo guys hanggang lumapot po yung ating sabaw. Kasi the purpose is to become caramelized the soup. Ayan. Kaya po siya may brown sugar kasi ang brown sugar talaga nagka-caramelize yan sa any kung ano yung lulutuin niya talaga. So, ayan. Hayaan muna natin yan hanggang kumulo na naman. So, ayan guys. Last hirit na natin yata to sa pag-check. Pero may sabaw pa rin siya. Di pa masyadong tuyo. Tingnan nyo yung oil. Walang oil yan, di ba? Nakikita nyo naman. Water lang kanina with the soy sauce. So, alam ko malambot na yung chicken natin, pero yung ating sauce, hindi pa siya nagka-caramelize. So, more. Kunting kulo pa. Sana hindi matuyuan yung ating sabaw kasi masarap ang sabaw. Pero, ganyang case, kasi malapit na siyang matapos, hinaan ko na po yung apoy niya. Para hindi naman maubos yung sauce. Kasi yun yung pinakamasarap. Masarap din pag may sauce. Kunti na lang talaga yan. So, ayan guys. This is it. This is the final. Ayan. Wala na talagang tubig. Kunti na lang. Ang kanyang sauce. Malapit na mag-sticky. Pero gusto ko kasi maraming sauce. Kasi masarap ang sauce nito guys. Ayan. Kung gusto nyo pa more sticky, okay lang ha. Pero ako, pwede na to. Kasi hinahanap ng mga bata ang sabaw. Eps, ganyan din. Baka magdidikit. So, this is it. This is the finished product. Hindi pa siya masyadong caramelize. Kaso lang, matutuyuan naman siya. Gusto ko kasi ang sabaw nito. Imagine guys, from here, no? The sabaw, no? Kita nyo ba yan? Oh, sarap. Ayan, guys. Ayan. Tapos kamay-kamayan. O, diba? Okay. Takpan ko muna yan ng 5 minutes. Then, pwede na siyang iserve. Ayan. Pinatay ko na yung aking gasol. And this is our plates. Para paglalagyan, naka-ready na po ang ating spring onion. Now, the food is ready to serve. Good luck sa kain. Pero ako naman less rice na ako ngayon talaga. Kahit gaano kasarap ang ulam, less rice ka na, Mami G. Yummy, yummy talaga. Guys, ang sobrang lambot na niya. Sobrang lambot na niya. Yan. Masarap talaga to kamay-kamayin. Kasi sobrang lambot na po niya. And then the last one. Ayan po. Okay. And then, ang ating caramelized sauce. Na hindi ko na talaga pina-cream kasi matutuyuan yung sabaw, sayang. Sayang ang sabaw. Kasi magsabi ang mga anak ko, sana yung sabaw nito, ma'am. Diba? Ayan guys, super sarap. Subukan nyo. Try nyong lutuin. This is must try to cook at your house, your home, sweet home. Ayan. And then, lagyan po natin ng spring onion for presentation. Laglag nyo lang dyan. While mainit pa, maluluto din siya. You know. Ayan. So, this is it. We're done. Sarap guys. Sobra. Sobrang sarap. Then, turn this side. You know. Yummy, yummy talaga. Okay. So, bye-bye. Thank you for watching. You must try this recipe from Mommy G.